Today I will be using wheat flour or all-purpose flour to make fried dumpling. This is the best fried dumpling recipe on the internet. Check it out. Easy step by step. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe. Highly appreciate it. Encourage me to do more videos like this. Alright. Hi, this is Troy and today we're making Jamaican fried dumpling the easy step-by-step way. Alright, let's get to it. So first, I gotta sieve my flour. I like to sieve my flour, so that means if any unwanted things inside it, we get rid of it. So this is 1 cup of flour. Yeah. 2 cup of flour. So I gotta sieve my flour. Alright. Sieving the flour is very easy. You do like this. Okay, and when you sieve the flour, it incorporate air and make the flour lighter. Nothing wrong with this, but these are flour lumps, you know, so you want our dumpling to smooth and nice, so this is kind of unwanted for now. So see it? So we have lumps, so we get that out of the way. Alright, we gotta add a little salt. This is half teaspoon of salt. The baking powder for rice, this is not self-rising flour, so we add baking powder. So this is 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna use 2 teaspoons. Yeah, that's enough. Alright, this is a stick of butter. We're gonna use half of it. And bear in mind, you can use these product of your choice. It has to be what I'm using, but you know, follow closely to what I'm doing to get the same flavor. But you can use the butter of your choice, the flour of your choice, the baking powder of your choice. Alright, so we gotta use, I call this massaging the flour and the butter and the baking powder. Yeah, that's nothing to be scared of, you know, just rub it in, squeeze it in, just play with it. Anything you're doing, just enjoy what you're doing, play with it. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm just associating the butter with the flour. So all of the ingredients is associate themselves with each other. That's how you get great flavor, you know, association. Yes, I'm not feeling the butter anymore. So here I have a cup of milk. And I'm gonna pour the whole cup one time. I'm gonna throw some and try to get it together. And if it need more, I put, and if it need the whole thing, I will use it. So a little milk, massage it in again. I'm gonna put more milk. More milk, massage it in. Yeah, this gotta feel wet and snappy, but don't worry about it. That's the kneading. That's all the dough put together. If this is done too dry, it's not going to come out properly. So now you get a dough. So basically we didn't use a cup of milk. here's my dough. It's like Play-Doh. I teach someone to make dumpling and that's what she said. She said, oh, Mr. Troy, this is like Play-Doh. So I use the term. Yes, it is like Play-Doh. So if you guys play with Play-Doh, you can make dumpling. So that's it. Leave this to rise. So yes, I'll just cover it over and leave it to rise. So this is the pot I will be using to make my fried dumpling. So I will add 4 cups of oil to this pot and put on the stove to preheat ahead of time. So I'm using 4 cups of vegetable oil. You can use whatever oil of your choice. If this video is interesting or educational, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. So put our oil to hot. So this is my cutting board. So I'm adding flour on the base of the board. I will be making my dumpling. I will be making them in like a ball. Some people made the dumpling round and flat. I will making them like a ball. So I put flour to the board for when I'm making the dumpling it don't stick. So I tear a piece of the flour enough to make a fist based on what size you have, and then you can roll like a ball in your hand first and then roll it to get it perfect on the board. Whatever way works best for you, use your technique. So if you can just tear it, roll it on the board and get it neat, do that. If you cannot, roll it in the hand, then finish it on the board and get it neat. Whatever works for you, just do your thing. Just enjoy what you're doing. See, so this is my first one. Then you repeat this process continuously to make the amount of dumpling you want, or whatever size dumpling. So as you can see, it's nothing hard. It's just play around with it. The first time maybe don't get the dumplings look as how you want them. They will be taste good same way. But by practicing and practice, you get it how you want it. The first time, don't must be you get it perfect. So don't worry about how it look. It will taste the same. You will get the looks as you go along. So now that my dumpling is complete and made ready to add to oil. So this is our pot with our oil that we preheat. So take your time, put the dumpling into the pot. If you cannot manage to do it with your hands, use whatever tool around you, whatever tool you cook with or have around you to do this job. Just be safe. Cooking is fun, but it can be very risky if you don't know what you do. So just always be safe. So here I'm using a different method putting them in the pot. So whatever works best for you, work with it. There's no rule. Whatever works best for you, just do what you do and enjoy what you do. So with these dumplings, you would have to flip them from time to time because the lower part will cook first. So you flip them from time to time. Most likely, the cooking method always be that way. Only when you're baking, you might be just leave it, but this is frying, you have to turn them. And it all depends on how crispy you like your dumplings. So if you don't want them too crispy, you can take them out not too soon, but ahead of time. When the dumplings come to a fry, they will float. So now these dumplings are fried, they float. They becomes light, so they float. When you just put them in the pot, they go to the bottom of the oil, the pot with the oil. When they are fried and complete, they float. So that's easily how to know when the dumpling is ready. So this dumpling is ready to take from the pot with the oil. So here I have a piece of paper towel in my plate to kind of get rid of some of the excess oil. So the paper towel will suck some of the excess oil. And frying a dumpling is that easy. And you can see my video with how to make dumpling. If you want to make dumpling like boiled dumpling, that's a different method. The same kneading method, but the ingredient is different. You can see my video with how to make boiled flour dumpling. I will be serving this fried dumpling with ackee and saltfish. You can also check out my video with how to make ackee and saltfish. This fried dumpling also can be served with callaloo and saltfish. You can also check out my video how to cook callaloo and saltfish. This fried dumpling can be also served with jerk chicken. See my video. Jerk chicken has many secrets, and get instruction how to make jerk chicken. If you have any special requests for any particular dish, please reach out and let me know, and I will create that video. Cooking is what I do, so I can cook just about any dish. Just make your requests and I will create that video with step-by-step instruction, quick and easily to understand. What is wrong? Nothing is wrong. Thank you all for watching. Until then, see you guys in my next video. Peace.